So welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about the derivatives of sum and difference functions. So first the question says differentiate. So we have to differentiate 5x squared plus 2x power 4 and be 3x squared minus square root of x plus 3. So the main topic is sum and difference, derivatives of sum. Sum, it means addition. This is sum. Difference, it means minus. So that's how is it. So let's take a look to the first question. The first question says 5x squared plus 2x power 4. So how can we express this? Plus 2x power 4. So let's provide a solution to this question. According to our last video that we talked about basic introduction to derivatives and the power rule, our video for beginners of calculus, we say that x power n, it is equals to n to the x into n power minus 1. That's our general formula that we talk about in our last video, the first video on basic introduction to differentiation. Okay, let's say that 5 into whole number. This is a what? This is 5x squared. So let's extract this 5 and for the bracket we have to put x squared plus, let's close the bracket and let's put our plus. Again, let's separate this 2 from x power 4 and say x power 4. So how can we do next? The next we are to apply the power rule. 5 is equals to, so the power should come down. We have to say 2x into 2 minus 1, and we are going to subtract by 1. As you can see, this is x power n and this is x squared. So therefore n, the power which is n, it be a whole number, and then our x, their constant is here, and therefore our n also is there, n, and therefore we subtract by 1. So therefore plus 2. How can we solve x power 4? The power should be at down. It will become like a whole number, and we will put our x here, and we are going to minus 1 from the 4. 4 minus 1. So the solution of this problem will be 5 into 2 x power 1 is the same thing as 2x plus, we are having 2, 4x, 4 minus 1, we're having 3. So therefore we're having 4x power 3. So this is not the end of this question. The final solution is we're going to say 5 multiplied by 2. If we say 5 multiplied by 2, we are having 10. So therefore 10x plus 2 multiplied by 4, we are having what? 8. 8s x cubed. So this is the final answer of this solution. So if you are trying to be smart, you can just use this method. You can say just 5 multiplied by 2, 10x, 2 minus 1, you're having 1 is the same thing as 10x. And you can say plus 2x power 4. So 2x power 4, you say 4 times 2, you're having 8x, 4 minus 1 is 3. So we are having the same answer here and this answer. Okay, let's see the second question. Make sure you wrote it down. So the second question says 3x squared minus root of x plus 3. So how can we solve this? We have to first say 3 into bracket. We have to extract 3 from the x squared minus root of x plus 3. We know that the derivative of a constant is 0. Why 3 become constant? Because 3, it doesn't have x. So therefore 3 is constant. It will be 0. So therefore we are having 3. Then what is the derivative of x square? Derivative of x square will be 2x, because the 2 should come down, and therefore our x is there, and 2 minus 1, we are having 1 is the same thing as 2x. So therefore minus square root of x plus what? Plus 0. So we're having 3 times 2, we are having 6x minus, what is the derivative of x, of root of x? We explained this in our last video, but root of x, we can set it as x into half. So therefore if we say the half should come down, it will be whole number. We say x 1 over 2 minus 1. We say n minus 1. This is our n, which is 1 over 2. We subtract it by 1. So if you subtract a half minus 1, what are we going to have? Our LCM is 2. 2 into 2, 1. 1 times 1, we're having 1. Minus 2 into 1, we're having 2. 2 times 1, we're having 2. So our final solution will be minus 1 over 2. So therefore, we are having a half into x minus 1 over 2. So what is the final solution of this question? So this is the same thing as 1 over 2 into root of what? X. So this is the final solution. So therefore it will be 1 over 2 into root of x plus 0. You can leave it like this. So this is the final solution for this video. So therefore I hope this video is more helpful to you in solving the sum and the difference under functions. Thank you for watching.